The Red Magic 9S Pro is a gaming-centric smartphone that delivers impressive performance tailored for mobile gamers. Here's an overview of its key features. The device showcases an angular design with hard edges and flat surfaces, embodying a modern gaming aesthetic. The device is constructed with a combination of glass and aviation-grade aluminum, ensuring durability and a premium feel. The front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, while the frame contributes to structural integrity. The Red Magic 9S Pro is equipped with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that offers a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 400 ppi. The display supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals during gaming and daily use. It also boasts a peak brightness of 1600 nits, providing excellent visibility even in bright environments. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version processor, featuring a maximum CPU clock speed of 3.4 GHz. This is a slight enhancement over the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which clocks at 3.3 GHz. In real-world gaming scenarios, the Red Magic 9S Pro excels. It can run graphically intensive games like Genshin Impact and Zenless Zone Zero at maximum settings and 60 frames per second without noticeable frame drops or overheating. The active cooling fan operates quietly, ensuring the device remains comfortable to hold during prolonged gameplay. The Red Magic 9S Pro is primarily designed as a gaming smartphone, but it also offers a versatile camera setup. 50MP main Samsung GN5 sensor with optical image stabilization produces sharp and vibrant images with accurate color reproduction. 50MP ultra-wide Samsung JN1 sensor offers a wider field of view suitable for landscape and group shots. The 2MP macro sensor allows for close-up photography but delivers lower resolution images with limited detail. The 16MP under-display selfie camera provides a notch-free display experience. However, it tends to produce images with reduced clarity, exposure, and dynamic range compared to traditional front-facing cameras. The Red Magic 9S Pro is a high-performance gaming smartphone offering multiple configurations to suit varying user needs. It comes with the following RAM and storage options: 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage, 12 GB RAM with 512 GB storage, 16 GB RAM with 512 GB storage. All configurations utilize LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast data access and smooth multitasking capabilities. The Red Magic 9S Pro is equipped with a substantial 6500 mAh dual-cell battery, designed to support extended gaming sessions and daily use. Under typical usage patterns, the device can last up to 2 days without requiring a recharge, providing reliable performance for daily tasks. The smartphone supports 80W fast charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery. It can achieve approximately 70% charge in 30 minutes, reaching full capacity in just over 45 minutes, minimizing downtime between uses. Pros: equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version processor, it delivers exceptional gaming performance. Features an active cooling fan and ICE 13.5 cooling system to manage heat during intensive gaming sessions. Boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals for gaming. Includes touch-sensitive triggers with built-in LEDs, enhancing the gaming experience. Cons: the camera setup is underwhelming, with image quality lagging behind competitors, especially in low-light conditions. The boxy and hefty design may be uncomfortable for prolonged use. Limited software update commitment compared to other brands, with only more than 2 years of software support promised. Conclusion: the Red Magic 9S Pro excels in delivering a robust gaming experience with its high-performance hardware and gaming-centric features but falls short in camera quality and long-term software support.